Hi guys, in today's video I share with you my equipment, not lighting equipment, but just body and lens that I am using for the nighttime photos for the bride and groom on their wedding day. Hi guys, if we never met before, my name is Yana Shellman and I'm a wedding photographer in Philadelphia and New Jersey area, and I have gone through the whole series of the whole wedding day, each part of the wedding day, and I shared with you what kind of equipment I'm using, bodies and lenses throughout the wedding day. So if you're curious about any part of the day, it's linked below this video. And today I am pretty sure this is the last video that I'm making in this series. I will need to go and double check all the parts of the day, but I'm pretty sure this is the last one. And today I'm talking about the nighttime photos for the bride and groom. I feel like that set of photos is super fun, and I am feeling pretty strongly about them, and I feel like bride and groom need to have them, so I always encourage them to have them. But in order for me to get them, I need my equipment. On a wedding day I use two bodies for the majority of my situations, but just for the nighttime photo I just use one body, Canon 5D Mark III, and in pretty much 100% of times, I'm pretty sure that was the case, I use my Canon 35 1.4 for photographing it. I feel like it's wide enough that I can be close enough to them to give them instructions, they can hear me well, and we can do some motion photos in that situation, as well as I can get pretty close to them. And it's, I mean, we've spent the whole wedding day together, so they're not intimidated by me being like super close to them, because we have gone through a lot today, so there's no personal space between us anymore. But yes, 35 works perfectly well for nighttime photos because I feel like it's the best lens that focuses the best in the dark, and it also, again, it's wide enough for me to be able to use it widely. And again, as I mentioned, it is wide enough that I don't have to be too far away from them, but still their bodies are not like crazily distorted and they look like themselves in the photo. And that is pretty much it, you guys. That is all for this video. So short and sweet and whatever. The next set of videos are going to be my lighting setup and what kind of equipment I'm using, which is interesting because I'm in the process of transitioning from one set of lights to another, but I'm pretty sure that my lights location is going to be the same. So stay tuned if lighting is something that interests you. I'm using off-camera flash for a lot of my things throughout the reception and nighttime photos, so if this is something that you're interested in, subscribe, stay tuned, and come back next week for that information. But yes, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope it was educational and interesting to you. If you have any other questions about anything else, wedding photography, business, anything else related to my life that I potentially could know and share with you, let me know in the comments below, and I would love to help you. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.